Garden in a small patio garden in Zone 9B in Northern California. Today we're going to have a short video on pruning this beautiful plant. I'm not sure what the name of it is. It's some form of daisy, I believe, but we're going to deadhead it so that it can continue to bloom. It started blooming in November. These flowers close at night. As you can see, it's a stunner. I really love this plant. I'm sure I inherited it from someone, but let's kind of clean it up a little bit so that it can continue to bloom for the rest of the season. We're just going to take, for example, we're going to take these flowers, they're already spent, and I'm just going to cut them back to the base. That's all we're going to do. So that's all we have to do is just cut them so that the plant won't spend its energy holding on to the greenery that's not going to generate any more blooms. And so I'm just going to continue going around the whole plant just to clean it up. As I said before, this has been flowering since November. So this is my winter interest for the winter season. And it has been amazing. It has grown at least 3 times in size. Um, Come on. You can see the blooms. I don't know if you can see the blooms. It has blooms all over it. So it has blooms back here. It has blooms here that are yet to open up. So I just wanted to spend its energy um, on opening new blooms so that I can continue to enjoy it for the rest of the season. So thank you guys for visiting. I'm going to keep doing this. Hit the notification bell so that you can stay tuned to new videos that I'm going to be putting up more frequently. And I have a lot of planning to do this season. We're going to do some barrage, some okra, and we're going to prune the cannas. And I already put up a YouTube short on is it time to prune your canna? So check that out. So thank you guys for visiting Fleur de Lis Living. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.